have a question for you. Are you looking for ways to add cash flow to your family's budget? Because if so, you're probably like 95% of other households right now. And I would love to invite you to take a look at Norwex. First off, the Norwex products have saved us at the Echo House thousands of dollars in the things that we used to buy: paper towels, glass cleaner, granite cleaner, stove cleaner, floor cleaner, you know. And being able to free up that cash was meaningful. But what else was meaningful is back in 2009, in the middle of that whole mortgage mess, I decided to take a chance and become a Norwex consultant. And nervous as anything, because it just was totally outside my comfort zone, I went and did my first few shows and I began earning income for our house. And you want to know what freed up cash flow? Earning more cash. Totally. So I want to invite you to look at the Norwex opportunity. We are in about 4% of homes, which means 96% of homes do not yet have or even know about Norwex. And if you have the Norwex products, you know that is a problem. These people need to know how to save money for their household. So when you get started as a consultant, there's two kit options, and you are going to get to enjoy full consultant perks, which means you get to earn 35% when I go out and do a demo online, in person, my little farmers markets, vendor fairs. I earn 35%, which is awesome because if I just look at my 35% I earned, I did 2 shows per week to build my business. And that meant I earned around 2,000 per month from just my 35%. But you know what else is super duper cool about that is if you know you want everything in the catalog and these products make sense and you want to Norwex your own home, as a consultant, you also get to shop your own store at 35% off, which is also super duper cool. When I started, I know that I took advantage of that immediately, and I have been for 17 years. All right, let's talk about this standard starter kit. This is my personal favorite, full disclosure, because it is the kit I started with 17 years ago. And I've never seen another company do what Norwex does. They ship you this kit for free. Like it's free. Let you get started. You cover the less than $10 shipping to get it to you. Comes with the mop. I love the Norwex mop. Okay. I used to hate mopping floors. And this floor, my floor looks and feels clean and it's easy. So you get your 2 mop pads color coded. So you remember yellow sunny dry, blue water wet, just water. Your floors are going to look and feel amazing. All right. Also in the standard starter kit, you get the everything cloth. Now, if we're talking money savings, this cloth is going to save you so much money. Just wet it, wring it out, and clean virtually every surface in your home. It's called the Enviro cloth. And of course, its very best friend, the window cloth, which is the one that leaves all the surfaces magically streak free. Windows, mirrors, your stainless steel, your granite or quartz countertop, all the things. Okay. You're not car windows. All right. So if you have puppies, takes the doggy nose prints off with just water. Amazing. Also, when you're done cooking, you know how it's greasy on the stove. Just water. Amazing. Do you see how much money this is going to save you, right? And then you take your dust mitt. This replaces all of those disposable dusters. This here is, you just use it, and all of our fiber is so easy to take care of. Wash it in the washer, dry it in the dryer. One big rule, y'all. No fabric softener, no dryer sheets. All right, that's super important. That's a topic for another day, but don't do it, all right? Because it will coat the silver embedded in the fiber, and then it's not going to get to do all that it's made to do. All right. Also, you get the rubber brush. This is great for cleaning the mop pads after you've used them, so you don't need to launder them every time. And it's great for getting the kitty hair, dog hair off the dust mitt and recharging the static cling. You're going to get a mini laundry soap in the Power Zyme and a mini power cleaning paste. This thing, oh my goodness, like if you go to Pinterest, you'll find like 101 uses for the Norwex cleaning paste. It's a marble flour, and so it's like a powder until you take your damp cloth, roll it on there, and then that gives you that elbow grease for grunge around the tub, or for me, it's when I burn stuff over on the stovetop and things like that. Another top popular thing is the face and body cloths, which also come in the standard kit, and this great carrying bag to keep everything together. All right, so here's how that kit works. They ship it to you, you pay the less than $10. They ship it free, and then you get 45 days to keep it free and clear by submitting at least 1,500 in retail sales. Now that's not your cost as consultant, that's the retail pricing. And your own purchases count toward that. And along the way, you can also earn the Bright Start rewards. Amazing. Now, should you not have 1,500 in retail sales by the end of 45 days, then on day 46, they will charge your card 200 for the kit, which obviously, if you do the math, it's worth well over that. Option number two is the sample starter kit. Now, this one here is this is your risk-free kit. If you're just like, oh, but what if I don't make it? I don't want to pay 200. Comes with the Enviro window and the little mini power cleaning and some samples at the power time and some skincare samples. And you just pay $30 up front plus your shipping. And that also opens a consultant account. And there is a third option, the Safe Haven Plus. You can look at that if you're interested. Okay. How do you get started? If you're working with a consultant, be sure to connect with that person. I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you. You're going to want to get their joining link. And if you're working with me as your consultant, then my joining link is joinwithsonia.com. So we want you part of our Norwex mission. And we would love to help you save money for your own home, shop your own store, and help others learn about these amazing products. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I look forward to connecting.